You built something real. World-class infrastructure, certified processes, proven capability. But capacity sitting idle is capability going to waste. The problem was never your facility. It was visibility. Right now, pharma teams, agrochemical companies, and specialty chemical buyers across 130 countries are sourcing contract manufacturing. They need your reactor sizes, your certifications, your scientific execution. Scinode for Manufacturers puts your facility in front of that demand. Your plant profile is deployed to qualified buyers. Projects come to you, aligned to your capabilities. Every engagement runs through feasibility, pilot, and scale-up. Structured, verified, no noise. Hundreds of manufacturers onboarded, dozens of projects per supplier. Satisfaction that speaks for itself. The demand is global. The platform is built to deliver it to you. Your facility is world-class. Now the world will know it. Scinode, from molecule to market.